What if I told you there's a place on Earth where 1 million animals move at the same time? A waterfall so powerful it creates its own thunderstorm, and a lake so massive it holds more water than all the Great Lakes combined. These aren't fantasy worlds, they're real. And by the end of this video, you might question how all of this exists on one planet. Let's start with something almost too unreal to believe. Number 10, the Maldives. In the middle of the Indian Ocean lies a chain of islands so flat and so surreal, they look photoshopped. Crystal clear water, over water villas, even underwater restaurants. But here's the twist. This tropical paradise barely rises above sea level. It's one of the lowest lying countries on Earth. Luxury meets fragility. And if this is paradise, what does the most extreme wilderness look like? Number 9, Antarctica. The coldest, the driest, the windiest continent on Earth. Nearly 98% covered in ice. Technically a desert. Yet beneath the frozen silence, penguins, orcas, blue whales, a continent so harsh it feels like another planet. But what if I told you there's a desert that burns instead of freezes? Number 8, the Sahara Desert, bigger than the United States, less than 3 inches of rain per year. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not just sand dunes, it's rocky plateaus, endless horizons, brutal emptiness, a place where rain might not fall again for years. And yet, life survives. But survival gets even more dramatic in our next location. Number 7, Lake Baikal. Imagine a lake so deep, it holds more fresh water than all 5 Great Lakes combined. Welcome to Lake Baikal, the oldest and deepest lake on Earth. In summer, dark, glassy water reflecting the sky. In winter, it freezes up to 2 meters thick. You can literally skate across it. But what if water didn't just freeze? What if it exploded over cliffs? Number 6, Victoria Falls. Stretching over 1,700 meters wide, dropping 108 meters down, locally called the smoke that thunders. The roar is deafening. The mist rises like a storm cloud. It makes Niagara look small, but as massive as this is, it's not even the tallest waterfall on Earth. So what is? Number 5, Angel Falls, hidden deep in Venezuela's Canema National Park. Water doesn't just fall here, it plummets 807 meters uninterrupted, so high that much of it turns to mist before touching the jungle below. Total height? 979 meters. It's remote, hard to reach, but that isolation makes it legendary. And speaking of heights, what about the highest point on the entire planet? Number 4, Mount Everest, 29,032 feet above sea level. Climbers from around the world risk everything for the summit. Altitude sickness, brutal winds, deadly cold. Even experienced mountaineers struggle here, and yet every year people return. Because standing at the top of Earth changes you. But what if instead of climbing up, you looked down into something just as colossal? Number 3, the Grand Canyon, over a mile deep in some areas. A giant sculpture carved by time itself. Light and shadow shift across layered rock like living art. Stand on the rim, and you feel small. Hike to the bottom, you feel history. But can stone look even stranger than this? Number 2, Zhangjiajie National Forest. Thousands of towering stone pillars, some over 200 meters high, often wrapped in mist. They look like floating mountains. And yes, this inspired the world of Avatar. Subtropical rainforest below, ravines and rivers cutting through. But even this fantasy landscape can't match what's coming next. Number 1, the Serengeti migration. Every year, 1 million wildebeest, 200,000 zebras, travel nearly 300 miles, from Tanzania to Kenya and back, the largest land mammal movement on Earth. Predators wait, rivers rage. Survival is not guaranteed. It's raw, it's dramatic, it's nature at its most powerful. And this was just part 1. Because what you're about to see next gets even more unreal.